DENSO has developed a number of products to achieve safe and comfortable mobility. However, DENSO is now moving beyond mobility to create a world with more possibilities, opportunities, and peace of mind for all. DENSO has established 3 pillars to accomplish this vision. Freedom of mobility with 0 traffic fatalities. A comfortable space where people can feel at ease. And creating a society to support the possibilities of people. DENSO aims for 0 traffic fatalities while achieving freedom of mobility. For example, we will reduce car accidents by integrating advanced driver assistance system to new vehicles and providing safety devices to vehicles that are already on the roads. We have been working on V2X technology that allows your vehicle to talk to other vehicles and surrounding infrastructure, offering an additional layer of protection. Next, to ensure a safe space inside vehicles, DENSO technology can purify the air, remove any contaminants, and display the levels of air cleanliness. DENSO is also developing advanced technologies so the interior space of a vehicle can be not only a safe space, but also a vibrant space. In addition to providing peace of mind for mobility, we will support peace of mind in the workplace. Utilizing DENSO's automation technology, we will create an environment where people can work comfortably. For example, in the field of manufacturing, we will automate the assembly process, reduce the burden of visual inspection, and improve in-factory logistics through automation. In the field of logistics, DENSO will automate transportation and increase efficiency in operation management. In the field of agriculture, DENSO will establish a cultivation environment not affected by weather while reducing stressful work with automation technology, making agriculture a comfortable working environment for all. DENSO will move beyond automobile technology and strive to provide peace of mind to people around the world.